Ladies and gentlemen, boxing fans from across Pakistan and around the world, this is the day we were all waiting for.
Welcome to Quetta, the heart of Balochistan, the proud host of the World Boxing Championship 2025, Boxing Without Borders.
Get ready for action, adrenaline, honor, and history in making. The ring is ready, the world is watching, and let's make this unforgettable.
I'm Aisha Omar, and this is my co-host Shafat Ali. Ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to welcome a leader whose dedication, foresight, and unwavering service stands as a pillar for the strength of the province of Balochistan. As he joins us today, let us show our deepest appreciation for his commitment and leadership. Please join me in giving a warm and distinguished welcome to the Chief Minister of Balochistan, Mr. Mir Sarfaraz Ahmed Bugti.
ख़वातीन हज़रात, इस्तक़बाल कीजिए एक ऐसे लीडर का कि जिनके विजन की बदौलत आज का ये शानदार इवेंट मुनक्किद हो रहा है। ख़वातीन हज़रात, इस वक्त ऐवान में दाखिल हो रहे हैं चीफ मिनिस्टर बलोचिस्तान जनाब मीर सरफराज अहमद बुगटी। ख़वातीन हज़रात, जब आप इस ऐवान में दाखिल हुए, आपने क्वेटा और बलोचिस्तान की तहजीब को और उसकी सकाफत को उजागर करने वाले वो खूबसूरत स्टॉल्स देखे जो कि बलोचिस्तान और क्वेटा की तहजीब का खूबसूरत चेहरा आज आलमी दुनिया में सारी दुनिया के सामने पेश कर रहे हैं। इस वक्त वज़ीर आला बलोचिस्तान एक अहम वफ्द के हमरा उन स्टॉल्स का मुआयना कर रहे हैं और उसमें दिलचस्पी का इजहार कर रहे हैं। अब से कुछ देर में वो इस ऐवान में दाखिल होने वाले हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, as you were walking into this gorgeous venue, I'm sure you saw lots of stalls displaying the gorgeous heritage of Balochistan and Quetta. The Chief Minister right now is walking through that street and looking at all these stalls which have been set up with so much love and effort and attention to detail. There are stalls which are displaying the food, the regional cuisines, minerals, spices, handicrafts, so much. If you haven't seen the stalls, you must go and check them out.
Not right now, not right now. We still have a lot more time to go because tonight there's gonna be fight. A fight which every enthusiast of boxing is waiting around the globe, and they're going to witness something really extraordinary in the heart of Balochistan, in Quetta, in the foothills of Charchakh.
It's so exciting to be part of this unforgettable memory and moment. This is the first time that the World Boxing Association has come to South Asia, and it's starting from Pakistan. This is the first ever boxing championship ever in South Asia.
Absolutely, ख़वातीन और हज़रात, बॉक्सिंग की तारीख में ये पहला मौका है कि साउथ एशिया में, इस पूरे खित्ते में कोई भी इंटरनेशनल टूर्नामेंट बॉक्सिंग के हवाले से मुनक्किद किया जा रहा है। वर्ल्ड बॉक्सिंग एसोसिएशन की जानिब से मुनक्किद किया जाने वाला ये टाइटल, जिसमें आज एक अहम टाइटल शामिल हुआ है जिसका नाम है साउथ एशियन बोलान टाइटल। आज इस टाइटल के लिए बड़े बड़े नाम फाइट करने वाले हैं और अब से कुछ ही देर में हमारे मेहमान खुसूसी की आमद के साथ ही इन मुकाबलों का बाज़ाब्ता तौर पर ऐलान किया जाएगा।
Inshallah. We are honored to welcome a leader whose dedication, foresight, and unwavering service stands as a pillar of strength for the province of Balochistan. As he joins us today, let us show our deepest appreciation for his commitment and leadership. Please join me in giving a warm and distinguished welcome to the Chief Minister of Balochistan, Mr. Mir Sarfaraz Ahmad Bugti. Oh wow, is that Robert dressed up in this traditional garb?
और उनके साथ मौजूद है गवर्नर बलूचिस्तान जनाब शेख जाफर खान मंदुखेल साहब जो इस वक्त ऐवान में दाखिल हो रहे हैं आज के इस तारीखी मौके पर जब बलूचिस्तान के दिल क्वेटा में इंटरनेशनल बॉक्सिंग इवेंट हो रहा है और इस इवेंट को पूरी दुनिया में बराह रास्त नशर किया जा रहा है।
Ladies and gentlemen, this event is being broadcast live all over the world. A huge moment for Pakistan, a huge moment for Balochistan and Quetta. The first WBA championship happening in South Asia and in Pakistan, of course. Roberto, you look amazing. We can see you on the screen. Chief Minister Saab, well done, well done.
इस वक्त आपकी स्क्रीन पे वजीर आला बलूचिस्तान मीर सरफराज बुगटी नजर आ रहे हैं और उनके साथ मौजूद हैं वर्ल्ड बॉक्सिंग एसोसिएशन के प्रेसिडेंट के एडवाइजर जनाब रोबर्टो डियाज जो कि बलूचिस्तान के एक सकाफती लिबास में हमारे साथ मौजूद है और यकीन कीजिए इससे बेहतर और इससे खूबसूरत मंजर आलमी दुनिया के लिए आज के दिन मुमकिन नहीं है।
Absolutely, I couldn't agree with you more, Shafat. Roberto has chosen a traditional Balochi outfit and he looks phenomenal. He was just on the screen again, seated right next to the Chief Minister. Such a beautiful venue today. We are nestled right now in the foothills of the Charshakh range. If you look right there up
yeah, you can see the 4 cones over there. And right in the foothills of these 4 cones, this amazing historic day, not only in the history of Pakistan, but also in the history of Balochistan, where today we will witness first time ever a WBA title being fought on the soil of Quetta.
A glorious future for boxing in Pakistan, Shafat.
Absolutely agreed. So, ladies and gentlemen, Bismillah karte hain aur aagaaz karte hain to begin this special evening with divine blessings. We start off with the recitation of the Holy Quran.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم إن الله عليم خبير.
O mankind, indeed we have created you from male and female, and made you peoples and tribes that you may know one another. Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you. Indeed, Allah is knowing and acquainted.
صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah. To commence the formal segment of today's event, I would like to call upon Administrator DHA Quetta, Brigadier Chaudhry Azhar Munir for the opening remarks. Please come on stage, sir.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Respected ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, athletes and the officials, Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. It's a matter of immense pride for me to stand before you today at the inauguration of Pakistan's first ever International Boxing Championship right here in the heart of Balochistan at the city of Quetta. We're deeply honored with the presence of Mr. Roberto Diaz, the Special Advisor to the President of World Boxing Association. WBA's unwavering support, marked by the unveiling of WBA's South Asia Bulan title, an exclusive recognition for Pakistan, is truly a moment of history. The establishment of Falcon Boxing Academy at DHA Quetta in near future under WBA's patronage is indeed a visionary step. This event is not merely about sports. It's a symbol of resilience, a sign of progress, and a tribute to the spirit of Balochistan. It reflects a powerful vision, a peaceful, prosperous Pakistan, open to the world and proud of its talented youth. We will nurture and elevate the immense sporting talent of our young generation, inshallah. Today's contest between Mohammad Wasim and Winston Orono for the World Gold Bantamweight title, along with the introduction of WBA's Bulan title, marks a milestone, not just for Pakistan, but for the region. This championship sends a clear and powerful message. Balochistan is secure, vibrant, and is ready for even greater achievements, inshallah. I extend my deepest gratitudes, firstly to the government of Balochistan, and especially to the worthy Chief Minister Saab for his patronage and steadfast support, and then to our international partners whose cooperation made this dream become a reality. Let us continue to work together for a stronger, united, and progressive Pakistan. Balochistan Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.